Hello guys, in this video I'm going to introduce you to this tool which can be used to translate any video in any language according to the creators. The name of the tool is a bit unintuitive. They are just calling it video translation, which is okay. And this has been created by Synclabs. The technology behind this video translation tool with AI consists of Next.js, Vercel, Supabase and Stripe. Now, I have tried to search more information about it on Twitter or X, but couldn't find much. But anyway, the way you use it, you go there, you sign up with your email for a free account and you get some of the credits, and then you can either upload your video here or you just give a YouTube link or any other URL where your video is. For example, maybe your video is on AWS S3 storage bucket, or it is in Dropbox or any other similar hosting solution. In the interest of time, I'm just going to give it my one of my own YouTube channel's video. So let me provide the link to it. I'll just grab the link to my welcome video, which is just of 48 seconds. And then let's go back to our translation AI tool. And let me provide the URL here. There you go. And this is requirement. So requirement is that max video length should be 2 minutes. Okay, mine is just 48 seconds. Yeah, resolution is fine. And avoid multiple people in the video. Okay, that is fine. And make sure that there is a face in the first frame of the video. Okay, that is not there. Maybe let me try if it is possible. Okay, now this is a thing which I also found out, that this seems like a bit of a hodgepodge tool at the moment, because when I try to select the target language I don't see anything here, so which is surprising. Or okay, now due to the theme it doesn't show anything, but anyway, so I'm just going to, you won't be able to see it, but they are showing some languages in this drop down. So I'm just going to go with maybe let me select the language. Okay, I'm just going to go with Bengali. So videos in English, it is in Bengali, and let me click on submit. And now they are regenerating the video, it seems. Let's wait for them to come back. So first it uploaded the video and now created it, and now it is transcribing it into the Bengali, which is the national language of Bangladesh. Let's wait for it to finish. And now it is at the cloning stage, as you can see in the 56th second. And now it is at the synthesizing phase. Synthesizing simply means that it is picking up all the pieces and then combining them to create a new video out of it. And now it is at the synchronizing state, and it's been almost 20 minutes now. It just says 2 minutes ago, but it's been 20 minutes since I have been waiting. So I would say pretty poor performance at the least, because it is just 48-second video, shouldn't be taking that long. Anyway, while it happens, let me also show you some of the pricing here. Now the credits are quite generous, but I'm not sure how many credits would I consume by just translating this video. So I will see when it finishes to see how many credits I consume. But on the face of it, looks good. And now translation starter, creator and business. Now it says that starter pack is to get started, creator pack is to publish more content. So how much more content? There is not much information there, so which is a bit surprising. I think more clarity would be good before someone could subscribe to their services. Anyway, let's go back there. Okay, now at least they have updated their minutes, which is still I think less than what I have been waiting for. Anyway, let's wait for a few more minutes to see if it finishes. So I think I have waited long enough. It's been 50 minutes now. It says 40, but it's been actually 50 minutes that I've been waiting. It is still generating it. Let me reload this browser window to see what it does. Oops, nothing. It is still synchronizing. So I think fairly poor experience, I would say. Maybe it is still in beta, but doesn't say anywhere that it's in beta. It is even offering the subscription and playground and everything. It allowed me to sign up. So that's it, guys. If you are aware of any other tool which offers video translation to any language with perfectly matched lip movement, then please let me know and I'll be happy to review it. If you like the content, not this one of course, but so there are heaps of other videos, so please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network. Thanks for watching.